All right, okay, this step is trigger guard. If you can see it in there, it has a trigger guard, and there is a pin to hold it together. Let's take this out. This is what you have. Trigger guard and a pin to hold it. So what we're going to do is we're going to support the back side of this trigger where this pin holds, because I heard this has a tendency to snap off when you're putting pressure on that pin or pounding that pin in. That could snap. So I got this. It's just a adjustable wrench with a rubber handle, and I'm just going to support the back of that while we line up this trigger guard. And then I'm just going to get it started. Of course, I'm going to put a little oil on there. That always helps. Make sure that's supported under there. And I'm going to actually pop this magazine out of here. Try to do this like this. On the other side, there's a pin that already is equipped with a spring in there. So once this side is hooked, you can just pop that other side in. So I'm just going to try to get this started there, and then get this in place, and hopefully we can line this. There we go. It's caught. There. So what I'm going to do is use a screwdriver with this end on it to get a little bit more force on it. Just slowly make sure we're getting it in there. Make sure the other line side is staying up. I'm gonna, since it's almost in, you see where I have that? I'm gonna go ahead and pop this other line, this other side in, and make sure it's lined up. If you can see, right there, snapped right into place. So all we gotta do is get that pin a little further in and to hold that in there. So let's go ahead and make sure this back side is supported, as you can see right there. And then we'll just take our time and slowly tap this into place. Looks like it's going. Hopefully that's lined up. We'll see here in a minute. The last, looks like it lined up pretty good. Right there, I want to get that flush. So make sure we're on top of that. One good. There, take a look at that. So that went in pretty good. Can't feel it on this side, so that's flush. We're gonna call that good. All right, let's move on to the next step.